Yo guys, happy Sunday wherever you're watching from. I'm Balafxofficial by name, and still remember, let's try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And I'm going to be doing a weekly analysis against tomorrow Monday. We are going to push the market far so that we can be able to see what we can be able to absorb, how many pips we can be able to get. This is to check our track record and to see how far we are going. So I'm going to name this in a new playlist, which is called weekly analysis and review. So within end of the week, Friday or Thursday, I will make another video about this. Let us see how many zones it has been able to touch. So without wasting much time, let me get to my H4, my MT4. So I'm going to do only two currency pair, I think, for now. Let me see. I will do Euro USD. Euro USD is the simplest and foremost distinct USD currency pair that many people love to trade. So in my analysis here, let me start marking my zones. Let me see here. As I can see here, is on a okay. Let me add some certain things that will make it to move. Let me put some moving averages. Moving average 12. Exponential red, then let me say 20. I love to use this too, but mind you, it's not a potential that you go and enter a signal. It's at your own risk. Unless what you see is confluence to mine. So without wasting much time, let me get into the analysis. So here, as I can see on a monthly time frame, here is trying to retest. Here is engulfing buy that has been broken on a monthly time frame. So we are going to work with this data. We don't want to go far. We don't want to go back. We want to use this data. We don't want to go far beyond, because we can see there's already a rejection. Like when market reach here, there's already a rejection. So try to pause the video and watch it gently so that you can be able to understand. As you can see, look at what's happened. There's something that is why it poke and come back. So we don't want to check this side now. We're on a monthly, and we have to just stick to this side area. So from weekly, what we do, we go to from monthly, we go to weekly. So we are on weekly now. On weekly, what do we see? On weekly, the pair was on downtrend, then it come after here, it break. After it break, then it start to go up, higher high, low, lower low, higher lower low, as I said on my previous video. So what you need to do is follow the trend, as I said earlier. So since I have reached here, let me still observe and see whether I can have anything to mark also. So let me see. Here there's engulfing buy, here also, here engulfing. So what I would like to do here on the weekly time frame, but remember, you look at what I said, as I said in the other video, brush, look at it, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low, higher high, lower low. So it might come here and go here and come and go, but we don't know what the market is. We can't predict. This is weekly zone. So what we are going to do is to zoom in and see where can we be able to get setup or our zone. As you can see here, it's already here. Then what I will do here also, there's engulfing, cell that has been broken. There's engulfing cell that has been broken. So I'm gonna mark that zone here, and here I saturated it. So after here, then I go back, I go to daily. This is what I can only see here. I go daily so that I can be able to get more setup daily. As you can see here, look at when price reach this zone. As you can see, I immediately reach this dark zone, it is rejected and show bounce of rejection. So this is what is going to happen this week also at the upper layer here. So in this upper layer here, on the daily perspective, this is what is going to happen. In this place there has been engulfing cell, engulfing, rejection. In this place there has been rejection so many times. So in this place there is a setup that is there, which is, it might be H4 or H1 setup that is going to be there, that is going to cause this into down. So this week we are going to look here, we are going to check here on a lower time frame H4 to see the direction. I'm going to mark out the zone for daily. So there is daily and weekly, this black zone. That's how you can see there's much rejection. But let's go deep into H4 so that we can see setup and select our zone. H4, yeah. So this zone 2 is still big, but it's for swing traders. Let me see how many pips. 60 pips. Oh, the range is even 60 pips. 60 pips. But nevertheless, let me go into here and see what I can be able to see. Let me find a setup. So in this place, I can see here engulfing by, break, test, engulfing. So this place, monitor the chart. This place, this is on a H4 perspective. So price might reach here this week 100 and something pips, but it's too far. So let me look for a lower entry here that can give you 50 pips or 40 pips. Confirm. That one is confirm. It is confirm. I have tried this so many times. So I'll come back here again. I have seen something, but this I have to dive into H1 or M15 to be able to select this zone. To be able to select the zone and give this place. And after this up layer, this other setup among the upper layer. So this is another setup. As I can see, this is another setup. Remind you, this is the week. This is weekly, as I said, analysis. So I don't know when the price will reach there and react. So what you do is just to monitor it. But during the week, I will give a review about it. This zone that I'm marking, price is going to react in the zone. Price is going to react for sure. Price is going to react. Price is going to react. Price is going to react. I will dive into lower time frame, like here. Let me dive into lower time frame and see H1, where you can be able to get entry tomorrow whenever price reach there. Okay, engulfing buy, but there's rejection. Yeah, I've seen a place. So this place. So how many zones that I have for sell? As you can see, I have how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zones for sell. 4 zones for sell. 1, 2, 3, 4. But remember, if any candle break and close above it, then you use it in other opposite direction for buy. You understand? So all these zones, try to write them down and try to understand how they move, so that you won't get stuck. So let me go down for the buy. Let me go down and see for the buy. For the buy here, let me use H1. For example, as far as price did not close below here, this it will buy. As far as price did not close under this candlesticks, the price is going to go up. So without wasting much time, let me just filter out the zone so that you can see. So this price is the time market is going to react. So let's just watch and see next week. I remember this zone is too big. As I said, it is down. Oh, why now? MT4 shake now. This zone. So under here, we see. Let me just go into M50 and see that I can get set up so that I can be able just to mark for the buy. So that we M15. So if the buy is going to happen, price should not close below here. I think, unless if it want to go and do a fake out, price should not close below here, this place. So for those that want to buy, this place is buy. As far as the candle do not close below it, is buy. It's buy. Let me put it on red color. That is danger. As far as it's here, it's buy. So this way we're going to stay. So try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. As let me zoom in. So look at, these are the zones that you need to set and put into your mind. These are the zones. These are the zones. Let me use daily, or that it can be zoom. It's too choked. Let me use H4. So this is the zones. These are the zones. These are the zones. So try to mark them and write them and see what price is going to do when it reaches there this week as we're entering. So I don't want to make this video long. Try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, as I'm going to check other currency also for you guys.